Imagine Kubernetes as a busy international airport. Thousands of passengers are traveling, planes are taking off, and everything is happening at the same time. But who manages all this? The airport's control tower. In Kubernetes, that's called the master node, or the control plane. The first component is the API server. Think of it as the airport reception. Every request, like creating a pod or deploying an application, first arrives here. Next is the scheduler. Just like an air traffic controller assigns planes to the right gate, the scheduler chooses the best worker node to run your pod based on available resources. Then comes etcd, the airport's secure database. It stores everything about the cluster, including pods, nodes, deployments, secrets, and the current state of Kubernetes. Finally, the controller manager acts like the airport operations manager. It continuously monitors the cluster, and if something goes wrong, like a pod crashing, it immediately takes action to restore the desired state. Together, these four components form the brain of Kubernetes, ensuring your applications run smoothly, reliably, and automatically.